the last exercise in our foundation series, we're going to do the kneeling founder. So I'm going to walk you through a couple of variations of this. So Emily's going to start in child's pose. So knees hip width apart. She's going to lean back on her feet and relax her lower back. So this is really going to work on a back stretch here. Arms are going to go out and she's going to let her chest fall as far as it's able, listening to her body, paying attention to what feels good. Kimmy, for pregnancy, she's going to find a wider base. So she's going to open her knees up a little bit wider and pull her hips back and relax, sit back, and then she's going to hinge forward, slowly paying attention to where she's feeling tight and make sure that she doesn't have any pinching. She's going to relax all the way forward. You're going to hold this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Take a couple nice deep breaths here and relax. And then from here, you're going to walk your hands up to your thighs, place them on your thighs. And then Kimmy's going to pull her knees back in so she's hip width apart again. Emily's going to lift up onto her knees. And Kimmy as well. Yep. Come all the way up. And then they're going to pull their hips back a little bit. So we're doing the same exact motion we did with the standing founder, except we're doing it on our knees this time. So arms are going to come out to the sides, externally rotate the shoulders. So notice when you open your palms out, your shoulder automatically externally rotates, and that's what we're looking for. Again, paying attention to that tightness in the lower back, those same muscles that we worked earlier. You're going to hold this for 10 to 15 seconds, and then you're going to raise your hands up and reach high again. So increasing the tension in the lower back, pulling up with your hands, back with your hips. Paying attention here, if you're feeling a lot of tightness in your quads, you want to adjust how far you are up. So if you're pulled back really far, you're going to feel tighter here than you do in your lower back. We really want the lower back to be the function of this exercise. So if you need to, you can lift your hips up a little bit more and pull back with your hips so that you're noticing that in the lower back. Breathing here, keeping the breath moving. Excellent. And then you're going to sit back down and fall back into child's pose. So Kimmy's going to readjust again, and Emily's going to fall back into child's pose to start the cycle again.